In this video, I'm going to show you how to take off the charge port door on your GoPro. Now you're probably going to need to do this if you bought a GoPro case like this and you want to put on an external microphone. You're going to need to plug in this mic adapter and that door is going to have to be removed. And in this video, I'll show you how to remove it and reinstall it. So I have the door off because I want you to see the construction of it. And it's attached right there. As you can see, when you pull the door open, you're not just going to pull it straight out. You kind of pull it down and out at the same time. And here's a close-up of that silver bar that attaches to that hinge. Here is how you remove the door. You're going to want this part here pulled all the way out. Don't push this part here in. It needs to be all the way out. And then you're going to kind of pull down at this angle and out at the same time. And you do have to pull quite hard. Just like that. Okay, so now to reattach, you're going to kind of put it in at an angle that you pulled it out at. Something like that. See how this slides in and out? You want that pushed all the way out. You don't want to try to push it in like this. It seems to go in better if this is all the way out like that. And then you're going to kind of hook that little silver bar, push straight in, and now you've reattached it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative, and thank you for watching.